more problem with the component set. Yeah, focus. One more problem. Notice the belt. Notice the belt? Yeah, this belt is for ready and kicking.
Ever slick.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, it's all about having your music inside the house, not playing. Plug it in, and when you check it out, the red light, the standby light is only blinking, and when you press the power button, there is nothing inside, only the standby light. Only the standby light is blinking, alright? So yes, my viewers and subscribers, it's all about repairing a SONY mini hi-fi component set system. Alright? Serial number MHC-GX250. Alright? Total watt 280 watt. Alright? So yes, my viewers, it's all about pulling up time. Inside of the component set, alright? Yeah, so this circuit here on the side here is the standby circuit. Yeah, this send 10 volt to the circuit to keep the light on the front and the display light on. Alright, so this is the power supply, the transformer that run the whole thing. Alright, as you can see the transformer here. Alright, so I'm gonna search. Over there is the main circuit, over there. Alright, yeah, so right now I'm going to check all these circuits to see what's going on the board inside. The reason why it's not coming on. Alright, so stick around. I don't know, I have to get the tray out, the CD tray. I have to get it out of here so that you can go down inside. But the tray can't open because it's not coming on. So there's no current to turn on the tray. But there is a manual switch inside here what you can use to open the tray. So you go under here. Once you know about it and understand, you can find it. Alright, notice my hand is moving. Notice the tray is coming out. So that is the automatically way, the manual way to open the tray. Okay, and as I can feel under here, the person said the tray wasn't coming out before, you know, so by feeling under here I can tell the problem. Alright, because I don't feel the band that go on the wheel to spin it. So that means the band did burst before. That's the reason why the tray wasn't opening before it stopped coming on. Alright, so this is my viewers. So to get the tray out, I have to take this front piece off. Yeah, this piece of front piece here have to come off. Yeah. Most time it is very difficult to come off. Yeah, this piece have to come off for the whole tray to come out. Alright, so yeah, that is off. The two screw pull from here each side. The screw from the back is pulled also. That's the way the top is off. Alright, my viewers. Yeah. There are some screw into the back here that hold the CD tray. Have to screw it out like this. Alright, it is time for us to disconnect all those ribbon inside. Just like that, the tray is out, the CD tray is out. So right now, you can look down inside of it. Alright? So, if storm is blowing down there, you can see it. And if hurricane is blowing down there, you can see it. Alright? So you clean out those cobwebs to find your way through. Yeah, so I'm gonna pull out all those boards inside here now to make a check to see what's going on inside. Alright. Okay. Making a check. As you can see, look in the middle of the bottom of the component set. You see a little round thing down there? Yeah. That's the belt of the CD tray. That's the reason why the CD tray wasn't open. Alright. So this is our first problem. Yeah, this belt here from the CD tray. Alright, my viewers. Alright, it's all about, yeah, that is the primary transformer. That is what light up the dash here, and it also give you that red light and the power switch. Alright, and this is the secondary transformer. Alright, so this primary transformer, that is what turn on the secondary transformer. So as you can see, my viewers, some fuse down there. So I'm going to check those fuse, check all the parts and that board here, power supply, then check on this primary board here, the standby board here. Alright, to see what's going on. Have the tester in beep mode. Yeah, this is where anything I touch make contact, you're gonna hear the beep. Alright, so I'm gonna test the fuse them now. First thing is the fuse. Okay, all 4 fuse is good to go. Alright, time to check the primary transformer. Make sure it is good to go and it is making connection in the board. I have to pull up this component set, pull it right up, because I have to go deep down inside here. I have to check out this main board to find if the problem is on the main board. So I have to pull it right up to take out the board down into the bottom. Alright, this board here, there's a board down there, the main board. The IC is on it, the output is on it. Yeah, the power supply is also, half of the power supply is on it. So I have to pull it up, right up to get to it. Yeah, this is the main board. This is the main board. This is the main board with the output IC here. This is the rectifier for the power supply, 2 capacitor. The relay for the output connection. So I'm going to check this board now, see what's going on this board. Alright, but on this board there is two parts on this board. That is a protection shield for the component set. So if if say you play too hard or you overload it, there's something inside here gonna break, gonna blow, and then the component set is going to stop and go into standby mode. Alright, so I'm gonna check this board, make sure this board is up and running. Alright, I have to fit it back up now. To try it, see if it is alright, or I have to do some more work on it. Still having the same problem, guys. Yeah, so this IC is not good, the output is not good, so the output keeps shutting down the circuit. Yeah, prevent it from come on. So I have to replace this IC here. Alright, so I'm gonna get a IC just like this to put in. Yeah, the IC number is STK 403/10130. Yeah, STK 403/130. Alright, I'm gonna replace this IC. This is the output. Alright, so I'm gonna get the output just like this, put back into the circuit. Alright, okay guys, replacing the IC. Yeah, I have an next IC inside the board now, so I'm going to start up this IC here. Time to try it now. Time to try the component set. I get light in the display and I get the power light to turn on, and I get the switch to turn on and off. So it's time to try it. So I'm gonna plug it in now. Alright, the light dim, the little relay clip in. Time to turn it on. Yeah, that's sound, my viewers. That is sound. Yes, my viewers. The power switch is working fine. Yeah. Alright, my viewers. Yeah, as you can see, I have to pull the whole thing apart to find the problem. Alright, and the problem was the output IC. Yeah, the output IC STK 403/130. Alright, yeah, this type of component set. Alright, yeah, that is the output. So right now I'm going to fit it up now and get it up and running. Do some work on the CD part. Make sure the CD tray is working well, and it is good to go. Alright, so stick around. There's one more problem with the component set. Yeah, focus. One more problem. Notice the belt. Notice the belt? Yeah, this belt is for the tray to turn around, to spin, to change the CD. That belt is also gone. And the one to carry the tray in and out was gone also. So I have to replace those two belts on it. Alright? Yes, my viewers. Ready and kicking. Yeah. Yeah. Component set is ready. Component set is ready now. Time to check. Put a CD into it to make sure it is playing the CD. Alright? Time to try the CD. Make sure the CD is playing. Alright. Put it in number 2. And press number 2 here. Alright. CD spinning. It is reading. Button peace, and I'm out.